Hello, I am Mike, your Eontribe Learning Assistant. Today, we will go through frequently asked questions, and I will show you all the information you need to master the Eontribe platform. Let's start. How do I sign in to my investor account? Go to the login page and enter your registered email address and password. Click the Sign In button to access your account. What can be found within the investor's account on Eontribe? Within the investor's account, you'll discover a comprehensive array of features and functionalities, including dashboard, referral program, ambassador program, beta testing program, settings, and much more. Your investor's account is designed to be a versatile tool to help you navigate the world of Eontribe effectively and efficiently. What should I do if I forgot my password? Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset your password and regain access to your investor account. How can I create a new account and sign up? Click on the Sign Up button on the login page. You will be asked to provide necessary information, such as your email address, desired password, and any additional details required. Fill in the required fields and click Sign Up to create your new investor account. How do I enable two-factor authentication? Click on the Setting tab and download Google Authenticator from Google Play or App Store. Click the Enable button and scan a QR code. Then enter a code below to enable 2FA authentication.